Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the cool little race car from the Beppi the Clown stage in Cuphead. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Okay, so to draw this car, let's begin with the little glass bubble. So it's gonna be right in the middle of the car. We're just gonna draw a big glass bubble. And then I'm gonna curve it down. It's kind of like an odd shape, but let's try to get it. It's almost just like a teardrop shape. Okay, and then from there we're gonna draw the hood. So we're just gonna come out and just draw a line like this. Okay, so don't worry about how far it goes. If it's too short, we can always make it longer, right? So from there we're gonna draw the little headlight. So this one is gonna be, it's pretty easy shape. Just like a football shape. And then from there, we're just gonna draw two lines. And then this is gonna be the little eye. Okay, so I'm gonna shade it in so we can see it. Okay, so then from there, we're gonna draw the front, and this is probably the hardest part. So on this one, we're gonna, right at the end, we're gonna curve it in. Right underneath the little headlight. And then we're gonna curve it down. Okay, and then now we're gonna come out all the way. Just gonna keep going past the original line. Okay, now let's go back up here. From here, draw a little curve, and now we're just gonna follow the curve that we already drawn. So we're gonna go, curve it. Okay, so once we get to there, just have it go back up. Just curve it, close it off. And then on this one as well, from the bottom, just kind of go up. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky because it's kind of like three-dimensional. So once we have that, now we can draw in the little grill, right, which is like teeth. So we're just gonna draw 1, 2, and then we're gonna draw these here. And we're gonna space them out just a little bit wider than the other ones. Okay, so I'll give it a nice three-dimensional look. So after that, now we can draw in the other eyeball, or the other headlight. So we're gonna draw a curve, close it, same thing, two little lines, and then again, same kind of eyeball shape here. And I'll shade that in. Okay, so now we got the front and the eye, which is the trickiest part, the little hood. Okay, so then from here, we're gonna draw one big circle here. You can start right around here. This is gonna be his front tire. Just one big circle. Okay, and then we're gonna draw on the inside, another small little circle. And right here, we're gonna draw two lines and just kind of round it off. And this is actually gonna be the highlight of the tire. So it makes the tire nice and shiny. Okay, and then from here, now we can finish off the front part, just kind of curve it in. Okay, so now let's draw the back of the car. So from here, this kind of curve here, we're gonna come down a little bit. And then now we're gonna come back in here. We're just gonna go straight out all the way to the rear. So this is gonna be the back. And then we're gonna curve it in. Okay, and then now we're gonna draw the other tire. So from here, just draw another big circle. I know mine's a little bit crooked, but we'll just keep going. Smaller circle inside, and then a little highlight on the tire. Two lines, and just kind of round it off. Okay, so now we can close off the car. So we'll continue this line. Just kind of go all the way across. Okay, so now from here we're gonna draw the little fin. So this one's gonna be easy to just curve it all the way out past the rear of the car. And then we're gonna curve it and just have it come back in. Okay, and then here we're gonna draw the little detail right here for the back. And then there's gonna be one line here. So from here, just kind of give it a little bit of curvature so that it looks a little bit more three-dimensional. And then here as well. Okay, and then there's gonna be one dot, it's like a rivet. One here, and there's gonna be 3 down here. Okay. And then let's see, well, we gotta draw the little number. So right in the middle here, let's draw a circle. And I'm just gonna give it the number 2. So I'm gonna go curve. And this is gonna be a bubble letter. Okay. Corner number 2. And then we're gonna finish it off on the inside. You can see through the glass. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit of dotted line as if it's continuing that curve there. Okay, and then now for, well, don't forget this tire over here on the rear. So we'll just close that off. And then there should be another one here, so just on the back tire. And that's it for this race car from the Beppi the Clown stage in Cuphead. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.